Well, hello there, everyone, and welcome back. It's been another exciting day in markets with a bearish reversal happening right on time to our forecasts. We're in this long-term uptrend channel on the primary market, the S&P 500, and I'm using the E-minis to represent it. We've gone into a narrower, steeper uptrend channel since the 30th of April. And if we look at the hard right edge of the channel, we can see that price is starting to erode and come down below the center line of the channel, trying to tag the bottom of the channel. This is common fare for an uptrend channel and a 2 standard deviation linear regression channel. We've come up into the top quadrant. We started pulling back after yesterday's new all-time high. We've come into the lower bounds of that area, and it opens the door for a potential rupture. Now, we had used our tools to identify an arc starting to form, and it came in right on point. I'm going to share with you, using the Triple S toolkit, the MSR channel, the speed lines, how we identified that. We saw narrowing in the speed lines on the daily chart, saw the Triple S tool make a negatively divergent type move, and on the 4-hour chart, we started to see price action erode in yesterday's market, coming down below effectively the speed lines and then coming back up to butt its head up against it, but not successfully sustaining above. And the 1-hour chart went into a sell signal state. That sell signal state happened at 9 p.m. yesterday. You can see the Triple S sell signal there. Price action came down, poked below the bottom of the MSR channel, was not able to recover and get back up above. The double red dots came into play, saying that we are likely going to sustain that move down. And when I came into the active trader room this market morning, I saw the market at around the 74.10 area, and we had one of the highest probability technical patterns that exists out there. It's called pre-trade conditioning, brought to you by the Triple S toolkit. It involves 3 signals. There's a down, there's an up, there's a down, separated by no more than 6 bars by each signal. And we were left with a down, and we've got the double red dots with price action coming down below the MSR channel and telling us that we are likely going to go down, down, and downer. I used patterns just like these and that one specifically to take some great trades. And I've been doing this since last Friday consistently and sharing it with you. Last Friday, grossing over $6,000. Yesterday, grossing over $6,000. And so far today, grossing just underneath $4,000 for a total of just over $16,300 in the last 3 trading sessions using powerful tools that you've just seen demonstrated on screen that I'm going to be sharing with you in much more detail in a private session that you can attend tomorrow by simply going to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. It's tomorrow, Wednesday, May the 13th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Pacific Time. This is a do not miss session. I want to share with you how I drove results like these over the last several days in market trade. I want to really get neck deep with you into the patterns that we can utilize with Rob's tools, with my tools, how we can combine them. And I want to share with you a variety of high probability setups to take advantage of this very exciting market that we're in. So simply go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes and join me tomorrow for a very special session starting tomorrow, Wednesday, May the 13th at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. Looking forward to sharing my insights with you over there. I can't wait to be there with you. Have an incredible rest of your day, and thank you for watching.